Welcome to MyMirrorClub Voice Studio, our new professional text-to-speech feature built for creators who want fast, natural-sounding narration. With Voice Studio, you can upload a short voice sample, save it to My Voices, and reuse it anytime without recording the same voice again. Simply type or paste your script, choose MP3 or WAV, and let MyMirrorClub Text-to-Speech create polished narration for tutorials, presentations, marketing videos, social media, training content, product demonstrations, and more. You can also choose from available built-in voices, preview your saved voices, and create longer narration with automatic processing designed to keep your audio smooth and consistent from beginning to end. MyMirrorClub VIP members get Voice Studio included as part of their membership. Text-to-speech is also available as a standalone monthly or yearly subscription for creators who want access without changing their current membership. Your voice, your words, professional narration. Welcome to MyMirrorClub Voice Studio.